Tonight across the region we are seeing dry weather and should remain that way into the start of the weekend. No rain anywhere near us. You have to head down on the other side of the mountains. We'll check that out in a minute when we look at our regional radar summary. But our weather pretty quiet tonight, clear skies, and that's what we'll see for the rest of tonight, allowing those temperatures to really drop. Already coming down quickly tonight. We're down to the mid-30s, 36 degrees at Dayton International, the wind chill of 29. Wind coming out of the north-northeast at 9. At least that's a little bit lighter than it was earlier, but it'll still be around 5 to 10 miles an hour as we go through the overnight hours. 56 our high temperature today, 36 that low this morning, and there are normals at 52 and 35. A record high of 75, 1902, and back in 1980, dipping down to the 20-degree mark. Our weather checkers tonight up north, Troy Thompson in Union City, 37 degrees. Betty Shappy in Versailles, 37, and Michael Bell in Covington also at 37 degrees. So mostly mid and upper 30s to the north. Readings generally upper 30s to around 40 as you go into the southern part of our viewing area. Leslie Short, West Carrollton, 39 degrees. Barb Shively in Union reporting a temperature of 40, and Jim Shank out in Eaton tonight at 39. Dennis Lowstetter in Cedarville, a 40-degree reading, and those 30s really showing up now over north central Ohio. Now the influence of Lake Erie, that northeast wind off the lake, helping to actually keep temperatures a little bit warmer in those locations, but you get away from the lake, you can really see those readings coming down into the 30s tonight, heading towards those low 30s tomorrow morning around the freezing mark. Had some patchy high clouds west of us. Those have been falling apart as they've been moving into sinking motion across the Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley, but a lot of upward motion here generating rain over the eastern seaboard, and of course these clouds, the rain area too, all because of the remnants of Ida, Tropical Storm Ida, still spinning away, a little remnant low down there, producing a lot of rain along the east coast. So very heavy rain there, and that same system, even though we've got it well southeast of us, combined with that high pressure to the north, that's one of the reasons we saw some breezy conditions today. And again tomorrow, the winds will kick up a little bit more, especially by late morning and into the afternoon. But the strongest winds will be down into the Carolinas, down into Virginia, up our way with that area of high pressure northeast of us, extending back through the Ohio Valley. We are going to be looking at some fantastic weather. All kinds of sunshine again tomorrow. May see a few of those clouds to the southeast on the horizon, but milder readings by the time we roll into Friday. We'll see those temperatures start to really rebound, getting back up to the low 60s Friday, and a good shot at reaching the mid-60s by the time we get to Saturday afternoon. This front to the west, a slow mover, eventually getting close enough to us by Sunday to start to increase our chances for rain. But tonight, a cold night coming up, clear skies. Those northeast winds have generally most areas now dropped off to about 5 to 10. May still see a few gusts a little bit higher than that overnight, though, as we head down to about 32 degrees. Tomorrow, looking for a high of 55 with lots of sunshine throughout the day. A northeast wind, fairly light in the morning, but once again kicking up a bit in the afternoon. 42 at 10 a.m., up to 50 at lunchtime, and then 55 degrees at 4 p.m., back down to 50 at 6 p.m. And you can get the latest forecast anytime you want to check it out, WDTN.com. Current conditions as well there, and there's your forecast for Friday, up to 62, 65 on Saturday. Then we'll start to see rain chances going up on Sunday. A little cooler also as we roll into next week, with those highs returning to the 50s, nighttime lows in the 40s, as we see a little more cloud cover around that chance of some rain. But at least for the next